Hey, Crown Source Jewelry family, thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you stopping by. Today's video is what takes place after a sales opportunity has been presented to me and I have taken my jewelry out into the public and people have gotten a chance to touch and see and feel if the energy is what they want and like, and see if it looks good on them. And what doesn't sell, I bring it back and I sanitize it. Alcohol with lavender oil in it. All those just fell off. I get all the bracelets that I come home with. Get sanitized. Because I do not want, especially in this day and age, passing germs from one sales event to another. Oh yeah, and this time some fell on the floor and I would pick it up and put it in my pocket. I didn't even want to sell it, but yeah. All those sanitized. I'm messing up the necklace I had designed, but luckily I still have it over here. What I know I want it to look like. For more jewelry that needs because getting it all cleansed for my people. So that's what I do after each event. Now, because it was an impromptu sale, I didn't really have a setup. We were just at a restaurant and used the table that we were drinking and eating at. I don't have the proper equipment to just leave it on there and, excuse me, leave it on there and sanitize it. So I think, yep, here's one that kind of stayed together. So I'll just sanitize these right on there. And the rest that was in the bag. So I got a set, I got an order for a bingo set, a Steeler set, um, one of these in the white and silver. What else? I know there was something else somebody ordered. There's these two bracelets here. A gentleman wanted them, and so this is $35. It's that charm, extra bead. This one's $25. So I said 35, 25. I'll get $5 each. $5 off each if you buy them both. He was still hesitant, but because he had already bought 4 bracelets, and and the young lady he was with had bought 2 bracelets. I took it down. I took another 10 off just to see because I wanted that sale right on the spot. So that's the kind of deals I'll do because I've especially, I mean, like I said, he had already bought 4 bracelets, two $10 bracelets, and then he bought some higher ticket ones that I gave him $5 off each because he bought 2. So yeah, if you're buying more than 1 bracelet, I'm definitely gonna give you a deal because I appreciate you, just like I appreciate you being in here for this video. While I got to sanitize my wares from the impromptu sales event that sales opportunity that I got extended to me today. So thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting Crown Source Jewelry website. I promise I'm working on it. I'm doing everything myself, so yeah, limited resources. You can't outsource everything, but I also need to learn in case something does fail. We don't want um, a Huntsville incident on our hands. I want to make sure I know how to check my own stuff, set my own stuff up, proof my own stuff. So thank you for supporting me. Be blessed. Crown Source Jewelry signing off. Take care. Hi, and thank you so much for turning to Crown Source Jewelry Channel. I'm your girl Jess, your jewelry maker. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, comment about what maybe your favorite colors or stones are, what your favorite piece of jewelry is, and click the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video. Thank you again for being here. I really appreciate you.